Hello class. Today, let's find the length of an unknown side of a right triangle with sides A, B, and C, where C is the hypotenuse using the following information. B equals 12, C equals 13. So if we use Pythagorean's theorem, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Let's see. On the side, it gives us C equals 13. The B side equals 12. This here is going to be A squared. So let's fill these in. A squared plus B is 12. B squared equals C squared, which is 13 squared. Let's pull up our calculator here. 12 squared is 144. Squared plus 144 equals 13 squared, 169. Let's subtract 144 from each side of the equation. We have a squared equals 25. If we find the square root of each of these, we'll have a is equal to 5. A equals 5 here. And we can check these by plugging these numbers into the Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 169. If we pull the square root of that, it should give us 13, which it does. So A equals 5. Let's plug that in over here. Good job. Thanks, class. I hope this helps.